Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to find Solana wallet address on Kraken. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Kraken application. Once you have logged into your Kraken account, then you need to click on portfolio at the bottom and select deposit at the bottom. Now click on deposit crypto button at the bottom. Now in the search bar you need to search for Solana and simply select the top version of Solana. After that, here you can see instruction regarding deposit of Solana. Read it carefully and after that click on I understand. Now here you can see your Solana wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Solana wallet address on Kraken. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.